Welcome to the channel. I'm Donald and you're watching Blue Collar DIY. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Diablo Carbide tooth pruning blade versus chainsaw. Yeah, let's get it on. Wow. Now, if you're interested in the 9-inch or the 12-inch Diablo Carbide pruning blade for reciprocal saws, links to those will be down in the description, so check them out. trade that reciprocal saw with the Diablo blade on it for my chainsaw? No way. But as hard as it seemed Diablo was trying to make you think it's equal to a chainsaw, it's not. But they both have their own places. That chainsaw cuts firewood way better than that Diablo blade. But am I going to cut root balls with my chainsaw? No way. That's where I think the Diablo blade really comes in handy. As you can see, I cut around the root balls, pull them right up, don't leave a stump. I love that blade for that. Now, I'm using the 9-inch blade in this video. I also have a 6-inch blade, which I think works better because it doesn't flex as much. It seems to cut these root balls and stuff faster. It doesn't cut briars well. Probably loppers would cut briars way better than the Diablo blade. Those big teeth hook the briar and it doesn't allow it to cut cleanly. Plus the briar's wispy. So there's my take on the Diablo Carbide pruning blade. You're going out and cut firewood with it, and good luck. Better get your chainsaw. But if you're going to be cutting saplings out, clearing the land, maybe doing occasional pruning and stuff like that, you're in the city, you don't want the noise of the chainsaw, get the Diablo blade. But you've seen, it works very well in dirt. The 6-inch blade I've been using for weeks now, and it's still cutting these stumps and saplings out. I love it, but I'm not going to use it for a chainsaw. Diablo on their advertisement says it's easier and safer than a chainsaw. Safer, yeah. I gave the reciprocal saw with the Diablo blade to my daughter and her boyfriend when they were out here clearing land. I don't have to worry about cutting their leg off with it. Boyfriend maybe could. Sorry, I had to go there. You might do that with a butter knife too, so that's just not saying much. Easier, depends. Cutting the root balls out of dirt and stuff, or cutting rotted logs. By the way, never use chainsaw to cut rotted logs because it's like cutting dirt. So that's what you're doing, cutting dirt. I'm taking Diablo. Everything else, taking chainsaw. So there you go. Like and subscribe down below. I appreciate it. It helps the channel out. You got any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below. I don't care what they are, good, bad, indifferent. So I thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the blog at bluecollardiy.com, and I'll catch you on the next video.